Hello everyone, myself Dr. Jyoti Mandala. Welcome you all to the video lecture series on shell programming. So we are in the process of learning multiple commands. Up to now we have learned about what is ls, what is date command, what is calendar command, what is pwd, who, and other commands also. Today we'll see about what is this touch command. Okay, so what is the use of this touch command and all, and what is the syntax of this touch command, and what are the different options available in this touch command. Okay, now this touch command is used to create the empty file. So the main work of this touch command is to create empty file. What is the syntax of this one? The syntax of this one is you need to use the command touch and then you need to write down the file name. So using this touch command, it is not like we can create only one file. You can be allowed to create multiple files also. Can create multiple files. So whenever you want to create multiple files, what is the syntax for this one? It's very simple. You need to write down the multiple file names, that's it. You need to write the command touch and then write file name 1 space file name 2. So the number of file names that you create, that many file names you need to write. That is the syntax. Okay. So observe here the difference between the cat command and the touch command. What is the cat command versus touch command? Cat command will allow us to create a file also, but it will allow us to create a file where it will ask us to write the contents also what you want to create. But whereas if you are using the touch command, you can create an empty file without writing any information into that file also you can create, which is not allowed with the cat command. With cat command, it will ask us to give the details. Okay, so we'll see how to create that one. Okay. So keep your terminal open. So you all know to open the terminal the shortcut is Ctrl Alt T. Okay, and Shift plus Ctrl plus symbol will help us to increase the font size. Okay. I hope you all can see now. Okay. Now coming to touch command, let me show you what are all the documents that are available here. ls. So these are all the things that are available. Now if you use a touch command, let us consider touch. I will create a check one file, check.txt. Now it will create that file. If you open that, you can see check.txt is there. Did you see this one? Earlier we have only check. Now we have given an extension. Okay, to make it a little this one, I will create check1. Okay, ls. Did you see check1 text file is also created? So it will help us to create. If you try to open this one, what are the contents in this check1? No contents. check1.txt. Did you see? If you are writing greater than symbol, it will allow us to write. In that case, we can write down hello. If you want to come out of this one, Ctrl plus D. Okay, I want to check.txt. Okay, then if you are trying to open the check.txt, did you see there are no contents? But if you try to open check1.txt, then now you have written the content that will be open. So understand clearly the use of touch command is to create an empty file. Did you see check.txt is also created just now only, but the contents are empty. But using cat command we have written into check1.txt. Earlier we have created that one as an empty file. So that is the difference. Cat command will help us to create a file only, but it will ask us to enter the contents. But whereas touch command will help us to create the empty file. To make you clear, even more clear, let me clear this screen. Okay. See cat, let us consider I will be creating jyoti.txt. Okay. Did you see? It is not displaying any content. But if you write touch, it has been created. So that is the main difference between these two. Cat command without any greater than symbol will display the contents. Okay. I hope you all are clear with this touch command basic syntax. Now let us see what are all the different options we have in this touch command. So keep you adding options. So the first option we have is hyphen C. Now what is the use of this hyphen C option is, it is used to check whether the file is created or not. If it is not created, that means it will not be, if it is earlier existing or not. If it is not existing, it will not be creating that one. So mainly the use of this command is to avoid creating files. Okay. Let me show you. Okay, Control L. See this one, I will be writing. Let us see what are all the text like this. Okay, now if I try to create one file, touch, okay, new, there is no name with new. Okay, new, I will be using an hyphen C, new dot txt. Okay, now what it will be do, it will be used to check file is created or not. If it is not created, then don't create. Okay, let us see what the output will be. Did you see? Let us see ls command. New is created? No, new is not created. So if it is not existing already, it will not be created. That means the main use of -c is to check whether it is created or not. If it is not created, don't create it. So mainly the use of this command is to avoid creating new files. Got it? Okay, let us move to the next one. Next command. Next option is hyphen R. So what is the use of this hyphen R is used to like the timestamp of another file you want to assign to the present file. Okay, use it to use timestamp of another file. How can it will be useful, I'll show you. Okay, so first what I'll do, I'll use long list to display all the files. Did you see for ls info the timestamp is 2016. Did you see? Jan 23rd 2016. Now my present jyoti.txt is created now. Okay, now I want to assign this timestamp, the timestamp of ls info to this jyoti.txt. How can we do that one? We can do that one by using this my hyphen R command. How to do that? Touch hyphen R. Okay, so which document you want to you want to assign ls info dot txt time I want to assign to jyoti.txt. Okay, are you understanding? This file time I want to assign to this file. Let us see whether it is working or not. So it is assigned. Let us again write ls hyphen a long list and we'll see the timings. Did you see the time that is assigned to ls info is assigned to jyoti.txt also. That is the main use of this ls hyphen touch hyphen R option. Another file time slot creation of time you want to assign to the another new file, then you can use this hyphen R. Okay, we'll see the other one. Another option is hyphen T. Hyphen T is used to assign a particular time. Let us consider you want to create a file using a specified time only. Then you can go with this one. Use it to assign a specified time. By default, the time is assigned to a file is the system date when it is created. But if you want to assign a specific time, then you can go with this option. I'll show you that how it will be working. Okay. Suppose if you write touch abc.txt and ls hyphen L, if you see abc.txt is assigned the present time. Now it is created, so that's why it is assigned the time now. Now if I want to assign my own time, then how can I do that one? Touch hyphen T. You need to give the time in the format of year, month, hours and minutes. So let us consider I want to give year 2020. Okay, 20. Month I want to give like 8. And day I want to give 24 Okay, hours I want to give 11, minutes I want to give 56 minutes, and seconds I want to give 23 seconds. Okay, to which file I want to give? abc.txt. Okay, the format is invalid, it is saying. Let me check that format. It should be hours, it should be year, month, date. Okay, let me give year. The format it is telling is wrong. Let me see what is the problem here. Yeah. 21 year. Okay, and then I will give the month. Okay, I'll give the month of 8th month, and the date is 11, and the time I want to give hours is hours and minutes only, no, not required to give the seconds. Okay, I'll give the hours as 07 hours and minutes as 34. Okay, let me check it will work. Yes, we got it. LS second, earlier we gave the seconds also. Okay, that is not required now. Now you can see the time has been changed. Earlier it was like present date, today's date it has given there, but now the date and time has changed. 7:34 I have given, that's why the 7:34 is given. Understood? So you need to give year, month, day, hours and minutes. That's it. So that is the use of this option hyphen T. Okay. Now suppose if you want to modify only time, then we have a specific option for that one, that is hyphen M. What is the use of this one? Is use it to modify only time. Okay, how can we do that one? Let us see that one. I want to modify for the same file M. All these things not required, only time is required. Earlier it was 7:34, I want to modify it to 8:34. Let us see whether we could able to modify this one or not. Okay, ls hyphen l. What happened? It has given this same time, this time, today's time. No, we need to give, it should give 8:34. Okay, this is not 0, this is, it has displayed O. What happened to this? A new file is created. 08:34, it is considering as a new file. Okay. Got it. I'll tell you. The use of this one is to modify only the time with the present address, with the present time. I'll show you what is this. Okay, sorry for confusing you. Did you see? Check 1 is created on 31st at 8 o'clock 32 minutes, right? But I want to update this one with the present date, like now whatever the time we have, present time. Okay, to do that one we need to write touch hyphen M and check. I want to update this one. No, I want to update, so you need to write check. Okay, now let us see ls hyphen L. Did you see? It is updated. Earlier it was Jan 31st, now it is updated with the system date, whatever today's date is there and all. I hope it is clear now. Okay, so these are all the different options we have with the touch. Touch is mainly used to create one or multiple files, all are empty files, and these are all the options we have: hyphen C, hyphen R, hyphen T and hyphen M. I hope you all are clear with this touch command. Make sure to understand the difference between the cat command and touch command. Do practice these commands. So let us all meet in the next lecture where we will learn about the another command. Okay. Until then, thank you all.